With the Lok Sabha elections 2024 set to take place in Telangana in less than 2 weeks, the BJP appears to be banking on the appeal of the Ayodhya Ram Mandir to woo voters, or so the Congress alleges. The Ayodhya Ram Mandir's Pran Pratishtha ceremony was held with grandeur and marked a significant milestone for the BJP, which had long advocated for its construction. It has since become a point of contention for the two national parties that were attacking each other, either for exploiting religion or lacking faith altogether. 4 months later, what has been the impact on the election? Has it given the BJP an edge over its rivals? Thiruvananthapuram MP Shashi Tharoor took to X this morning to share a snippet from a newspaper which read, "Besides Prime Minister Narendra Modi's popularity, reminding voters about the consecration of Ram Temple in Ayodhya is what some BJP candidates are banking on." Senior BJP leader and party's candidate from Karimnagar Lok Sabha seat in Telangana, Bandi Sanjay Kumar, is distributing a framed photo of Ram Temple with an illustration of Lord Ram in the backdrop. Kumar has already distributed around 5 lakh such photos among the voters, it is learnt, read the post. Tharoor criticized the BJP's move, suggesting that it violates the Election Commission of India's guidelines, which prohibit appealing to caste or communal feelings for votes and using religious places for election propaganda. In his post, Tharoor questioned the ECI's enforcement of its rule, implying that the commission might be lenient with the BJP's conduct. Bandi Sanjay Kumar too was quick to reply to this allegation. Frames were distributed when there was no model code of conduct in February. Congress is fixated on spreading fake news both in Telangana and at the national level. I challenge the Congress leaders to prove that I distributed frames during MCC. Are you ready for any challenge if proven wrong? Not only do I believe in Ram, but I do respect the institutions of democracy. In a public rally in Uttar Pradesh's Amethi last week, BJP candidate Smriti Irani accused Rahul Gandhi of betraying God by visiting the Ram temple for votes ahead of elections after rejecting the invitation to the temple's consecration ceremony. Irani accused Gandhi of hypocrisy, suggesting that he visited the temple solely for electoral gains. Amid speculations that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi might visit the Ram temple, Smriti Irani called the Wayanad candidate Chunavi Hindu. Besides this, President Murmu is set to make a maiden visit to Ram temple today amid allegations from the Congress that she wasn't invited to the Pran Pratishtha in the first place because she was an Adivasi. Union Home Minister Amit Shah too did not hold back in his accusation that West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee did not attend Ram temple consecration ceremony in Ayodhya because she was afraid of offending her infiltrator vote bank. In a speech, he asked the voters to choose between Parivar Raj and Ram Rajya. With the elections fast approaching, these religious appeals could have an impact on voter sentiment. While the BJP's focus on the Ram Mandir may resonate with some, others view it as a dangerous mixing of religion and politics. I'm Deepthi Rao, you are watching India Today, So South.